Differences between the diode and the transistor. The diode has two layers. The transistor has three layers. The diode has PN semiconductors. The transistor has PNP or NPN semiconductors. The doping level of layers in the diode is the same. The doping level of layers in the transistor is different. The diode has the anode and cathode terminals. The transistor has the emitter, base and collector terminals. The operations of layers in the diode are emitting the charge carriers and collecting them. The operations of layers in the transistors are emitting the charge carriers, controlling and collecting them. The diode is a voltage dependent component. The transistor is a current dependent component. The diode has the same size of layers. The transistor has a different size of layers. The current flows through the same resistance in the diode. The current flows from low resistance to high resistance in the transistor. The diode requires a single power supply for its operation. The transistor requires the double power supply for its operation. The diode is the uncontrollable device. The transistor is the controllable device. The diode is one diode device. Two diodes are connected back to back in the transistor. The diode has one junction. The transistor has two junctions. One is emitter junction and the other is collector junction. The diode has operated in the forward and reverse biases. The transistor has operated in the active, saturation and cutoff regions. The controllability of the diode does not exist. The controllability of the transistor exists. The diode has a forward resistance and a reverse resistance. The transistor has the input resistance, output resistance, current gain and voltage gain. Most diodes are operated in the forward bias and some diodes are operated in the reverse bias. Generally, emitter junction of the transistor operates in the forward bias and the collector junction is in the reverse bias. Types of diodes are signal diode, Zener diode, varactor diode, tunnel diode, LED, photodiode and etc. Types of transistor are FET, MOSFET, Darlington pair, IGBT and etc. The diode is used in rectifier, regulator, clipper, clamper, multiplier circuits and etc. The transistor is used in switching and amplifiers. The symbol of the diode is shown. The symbol of the transistor is shown. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Receive more electronics information. Kindly suggest your valuable feedback to improve the forthcoming videos. Thank you. Electronics Hints.